In today's video, I want to talk about verifying your XTB account. Now guys, we do have a link in the description of this video, so if you do want to sign up for XTB, just go through our link. We will appreciate it greatly. Now, unfortunately, I can't re-sign up for XTB, but I did find a website that is spot on with what it looks like when you first sign up for XTB. So of course, you're going to click on Create Account on the right hand side here. And pretty much this is what the process is going to look like. So you're going to put in your email and your country, as well as agree to all the terms, and then hit next. Next, they're going to want you to set up a password. And when you're done with that, of course, you'll hit next again. And then you'll be prompted to put in some of your personal information, things like phone numbers, your income. That is how they will decide if you qualify or not as well, and a date of birth, as well as your ID number. And here is the specific part that we are looking for in question, and that is verification. So there's no way you're going to make an XTB account without verifying, hence why it's all one process. So what do you need to verify? You need an ID, and you also need some sort of document that can validate your home address or your personal address. All of these details need to be up to date, so make sure you can find the most recent document. Use your smartphone. Even if you're on PC, you can just continue with your smartphone and just take some pictures. Now, I know usually websites like XTB, I just can't really remember, it's been a while, will also want you to do a wellness check, which is basically just, again, using your phone to take I'll say sort of a video of yourself, your face, just moving left, right, looking up, looking down, just to verify that you are in perfect condition and voluntarily making this account. And that is really the end of the process, guys. It does take a little while for them to verify you. Not long. I don't think I even waited a day for it to be done. And once you are verified, you are good to go. Again, sorry that I couldn't show you this like live in action, but this is indeed a very accurate depiction of what you'll be doing. So thank you very much to Trade Viet Stock. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Definitely come and check out their website, tradevietstock.com. And if you do want to sign up for XTB, don't forget we've got a link in the description of this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We try to bring you the best information we can, and I'll see you in the next one.